All right, today is July 8th, 2026, about 8:53 p.m. So my usage has just reset for, oh man, it closed. But my usage for all the models has just been reset today at 4 o'clock. Extended 2x usage for co-work. Oh my goodness, they just keep doing this. But whatever. Let's go ahead and let's see. Fable models, context windows is getting pretty close. Um, so let's just try ultra code, and then we'll just try again for both of these. Um, what the hell is live shakedown? One task call to your own self. Let's do phase 7. Screw it. Dang, and then let's see how much this takes. All right, after a couple of days and some prompts, we should have a still waiting on your account. So all the phases looks like they've been complete, and all I need is to put my account stuff in there, and then do a live test. Awesome. Phase 7, Fable. What's new? My phone is now a companion device. That is pretty lit. Paste that in there. Bam. Let's see if check reputations. Alright, I'm excited to test this. I got work tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, so I should have time to, do in some live tests here pretty soon. And then, go over some fixes if there are any I need to do or add any kind of adjustments. But using Ultra Code, that one just took about 10% of my weekly Fable usage and about 55% of my 5-hour limit. Nice. All right, it is now July 9th of 2026, about 8:01 p.m. straight after work. And I came home, and then the first thing I did was say, hey, let's look through any security vulnerabilities and fix them. So I had it fix a DNS rebinding hole. Okay. A malicious website you happen to visit could point its own domain and make my browser call the API. Backup copies lingering in temp folder. Every backup download left a full database copy. And then backups contain my credentials by design. So now it says treat it like a password. And then one more thing that I found out is that Twilio is actually premium in terms of like dialing costing 1 penny per minute. So if I am on the phone with someone for 60 minutes, that's going to cost me about 60 cents, close to $1. That is pretty cheap, but I found out you can actually get it cheaper with telnyx, about 70% cheaper. And so, over the long run, I feel like this could definitely save a lot more money. So I am going to have Fable 5 go ahead and make it work with telnyx as well. So you can set both telnyx and Twilio. Because when I first tried to sign in with Twilio, it's already asking me for $20. So I did some digging, and looks like telnyx is just a lot cheaper. All right, it is the morning of July 10th, 7:33 a.m. My Fable usage just reset because last night it was at about like 50%, so I don't have any more usage credits, so I need to rely on my subscription. And remember, I wanted to use telnyx because it's a lot more affordable, right? In the world of sales, you don't want to say cheaper, you want to say more affordable. So telnyx is a lot more affordable than Twilio by almost 70 to 80%. 1 second of a connected dial with Twilio is about 1 cent. 1 second of a connected dial with telnyx is about 0.0002 cents. And then the SMS, the text message features, right? Telnyx is about half as much. And even though, right, Twilio is a little bit more expensive, apparently Telnyx offers better connected quality and speed of a call. So it's great to make this app work with telnyx because that would be the better option for me to choose for me to use. But either way, you can use both Twilio and telnyx. Now, a lot of people like to develop with Twilio just because they do have an ecosystem that makes it easier to work with. But that's just the thing, is that they just have an ecosystem that is a little bit more plug and play than telnyx, a little bit easier to code with. But you're paying extra premium for that. So yeah, now asking Claude Fable 5 to make this work with telnyx, and it's already, holy crap, bro, it's already used 82%. Oh my god, I'm about to crash out. 738 tokens and it used 82%. This does not make any sense, bro. I'm about to crash the hell out. Resets in 3 hours and 24 minutes, bro. Are you kidding me? Oh, that just a thing. Honestly, I might just turn off ultra code and just have this work in like max thinking next time, but this is not working out. All right, it is now about 12:46, so my usage rate should have just reset. Let's go ahead and try again using ultra code. I low-key should have switched it, but oh well. See it go to work. All right, so if you've been following along in the coding journey, you would know that currently I'm trying to work on like an auto dialer system. And for that, I'm going to be using telnyx to, do the phone calls, do the text messages. So today I'm going to be trying to figure out how that works, how telnyx works. So when you are choosing different providers, right, you can use Twilio or you can use telnyx to have as the platform to host all of your phone calls, to host all of your messaging systems. But I want to use telnyx because they are better quality, but they are also cheaper at the same time. So taking a look at the telnyx platform, when I first signed in, it wanted me to do like either a business account, which would mean that I need a business email, which I do not have, so I can only use the freemium version with telnyx. Okay. Fuck. All right, here we go with the final prompts of Fable 5 pre-expiration on um, whatever it's called. Let's go ahead and get the context or transcript of this. Toggle timestamps. Okay. New chat. We're extended through July 19th, bro. They just keep extending it. It's actually driving me insane. Honestly, screw it. I might just have to buy, like, I might just have to buy more credits, honestly. I'm down. I don't care. I'm gonna do it. Screw it. I need to talk with it. Why does Fable keep getting extended? Like, it goes to end July 7th, then July 12th. Now it gets extended to July 19th. Is this a ploy? What is this? Because right now I'm seriously considering buying the pro subscription at either or the max subscription at either a 5x return at 5x more usage at $100 or 20x more usage for what's it called, $200. But low key, like, sometimes you gotta spend money to make money. That's what they all say. The most advanced model, but then couple months down the line, like, it's probably not even gonna be advanced anymore. Short version. Deadline has now moved 3 times. There's a messy backstory behind it. Fable 5 launched June 9th with a planned 2-week free window, but a June 12th US export control directive forced it to suspend for 19 days. Control was lifted June 30th and was redeployed. The promo was extended and now through, along with 50% boost to Claude Code weekly limits. Anthropic stated reason is capacity, not marketing. Fable 5 isn't permanently leaving subscriptions and will be restored to plans once they have enough compute. Can't read minds, but 2 honest observations. Plenty of people frame it as a competitive pressure, keeping the promo alive. Whether intentional or not, rolling 1-week deadlines do function like urgency marketing, and users have noticed. People on Hacker News complain about burning a week's quote in 24 hours, only to see the deadline punted. Yup, here we are again, and about feeling strung along by constantly shifting terms. Even the positive reactions were good thanks, but at this point, just keep it in the plan. The most likely boring truth, they're genuinely compute constrained, reevaluating weekly. So, are the chance will get extended again, because thinking about buying the pro subs, considering either the $100 version or the it's at max already. Yeah. Subscription tiers against extension track record patterns. Let's say I was able to use it 5 times more. What could I have done? It's interesting. So tired. nobody outside, and I don't get advance notice. The pattern is 3 for 3. The cutoff moved. The MV companies cloud code say they aim to restore Fable. Don't pick the tier based on the promo. Pick it on whether your baseline load auto dialer builds actually hits 5x limits. But since it's month to month, there's a grab 20x now. Oh yeah, so but since it's month to month, there's a low risk play here. Grab 20x now. Spend the next week throwing Fable at my hardest stuff. Anything I'd otherwise grind with Opus, then drop to 5x after it dies, and 5x covers your normal usage. Worst case, you're out the $100 for 1 month. Best case, the promo keeps rolling. Just don't do the thing the HN guys burned on, torching whole weeks. Screw it. Alright. I'm buying it. Alright, but I still haven't really hit my limits yet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and see if I can squeeze out a little bit more. So I already took the transcript from the Gary Vee video, and then now I'm having Fable 5 kind of synthesize strategy and searching success frameworks. How to make videos. It's important. So now, if I do get 20x usage, it's like, what am I really going to use it on? You know, is it really that much better than Opus? I don't know. But I know it's not good to make decisions when I'm tired. Because I am still working, like, I'm still working, and then I still have, like, I still have shit to do outside of this. Like, I still need to fix my car. I still need to move. It's gonna take 2 days. I don't really have that much time to. Actually, that's a lie. I actually do have so much time. I just doom scroll instead. Play video games instead. That's my fault. Followers are dead as a metric. The individual posts everything now. Went from social graph to interest graph, which you're into. So the success is no longer measured by follower count, but on popularity and relevance of individual posts. That's why 0 follower count got 8.2 million views on post 1. Massive volume because mostly jack, free value, occasional right hook, asks, flip my ad strategy, post everything organically first, spend money, but I'm not selling anything, low key. Spin up niche accounts because they're free lottery tickets. Okay. He's going from 1 Gary Vee account to probably over 1,000 different accounts by the end of the year because extreme tech on one end, build a brand, because when people ask in AI, what should I go with? Brand is only defensible thing, and 1950s moves on the other end. Call, text every past client just to say hello, no pitch. One account is separate. Here's what research says. TikTok's algorithm evaluates each video independently, so a brand new account with 0 followers can get 100K on the first post, which is why mixed accounts can still pop per post. But the more topics you post about, the more it confuses the algorithm. When you jump between topics, the platform can't tell who your content is for, so it guesses who it shows it to. Oh my god, Instagram got even stricter this year. So your algorithm feature letting users remove topic categories from the feed, multi-niche accounts are at significant risk. The algorithm needs to clearly categorize you to recommend you, and niche is consistency is now a ranking edge. Oh my god. the nuance for me, trading market sales are not four niches, they're one. Money and building is a coherent lane, and you are the connecting thread. There's also your brand in public lane, which is already your highest. Your build in public lane, which is already my highest leverage angle. So my recommendation is about money. The cars is its own persona. Gaming, cut it or third account. Okay, that makes sense. Biggest takeaway: merit replace tenure. Document, don't create. You're already living the content. Film the dial sessions, the KPI screenshots. Only run ad dollars. Okay. Makes sense. All right, back at it. I already have. Oops. Right, so today is July 21st, 2026, 9:04 p.m. I finally fixed my computer recording so that it doesn't it doesn't cut off anymore. I already have Claude running, where it's basically trying to clone like OpenArt, Higgsfield, and then use my local machine to render all the videos and all the images, instead of me having to pay for a platform to do that. And now another thing I'm looking for is create a folder here, and in that folder make a project where when I upload a video, it takes those frames, like if it's 30 FPS, it will take the 30 frames as we'll do that for the whole project, where when I upload a video, and the whole point of this is so that if I can break down videos into like frames, I can put those frames in an AI, and with the seed it like the same seed, and have it like recreate that video, but in like a totally different kind of like thing. Like if I wanted to blockify it, turn it into Minecraft or into Roblox, I could do that. And it all starts with this, where I have the frames, 30 FPS, 60 FPS, store the whole video. So I have that. And then now with this, primetime commentator, my usage does reset here pretty soon, so I want to like try to maximize this as much as I can. Could also do my domain thing really quick. Let me just the display capture. Let's see if everything was successfully transferred. Let's see. New folder. No. It's called cloud. And it looks like my domain is up. Okay. Huh. So add the AItycoon.com to a free Cloudflare account, switch the name servers, push the name cloud workers and pages. So I go to workers and pages. It's active. Do that.
For the first time in India.
Huh. You're not missing. Okay. Workers. New accounts don't get pay stubs at all. Worker. Okay, I've already arranged. Prep the repo for it. Added. Okay. Option A, dashboard. Auto deploys on every push. One command from all this folder. No dashboard hunting at all. Compute workers. What? Compute workers and pages. Create application. Connect GitHub. This one. Yes. Verify. Four 42138. This one's the bang, do that. Let's see. The AI Tycoon. Pre-launch. Bang, everything is good. Choose import a repo. Build a command, leave it empty. It would automatically pick. Advanced settings, deploy. I'm clicking deploy. It's not letting me deploy. Continue with Git. I already did that, bro. Build command is optional. Okay, now it's building. It's deploy. It's building. Do step 2. Okay. And that should do it. Let's see. All right, do step 2. And then now here, it's still running. And then now I'm on 60%, but I gotta keep going. It's cross-verifying for. One stopped? What do you mean one stopped? Cross-verify. What you mean? $18 agents? What the hell? Okay, that one's going. This one's still going as well. Be able to like post shorts with it. Yeah. What they say, two things worth knowing if you leave the, or this one's done to bring it to life. Huh. Okay. Huh. What? So it says O3 rights model should already target D, but verify since it's expensive to redo. Huh. Move this to D. Move this to screw it. I'm just saying move this to drive D because I think I already have Comfy UI installed there. Installed there. 1.2 million tokens. Nice. Gotta start token extracting. Nice. Keep going. Token maxing, bro. Uh-huh. And then in the videos as well. Actually, I need a new one. Crystallizing. 'Cause I loved you once, won't do it twice. All of my teardrops have all crystallized. Da 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 da. Said I loved you once, won't do it twice. All of my teardrops have all crystallized. My own world. I loved you once and I won't do it twice. All of my teardrops have all crystallized. Huh. Okay, so I have that. That's in the open source repo if you want it free and wired. All right. Make sure to include cloud.md so you know what's going on. Make sure you include a cloud.md so you know what's going on. Dang, self-hosted model platform. 67% finished for this. And then my 5-hour limit resets in about 3.5 hours, which is 1 o'clock basically. So I have the option to either stay up late and continue doing this, wait for my tokens to reset, or honestly just do it all tomorrow. Let's see. Full role play. Nice. Just have it just keep doing it for me. Let's see. Cloud is waiting for my inputs. What you saying, Claude? Repo moved, backend VMV rebuilt, adopted your existing install. You're too old for Flux. Okay. ClipForge. Okay. Yeah, start building. Did it work? Done is live on the internet. Here's what was blocking about it, that nothing happening. GoDaddy parking DNS before I moved it. Do it. Yes, do it, do it. How many gigabytes would this be? Low calculator. Monday, Tuesday, Yes, have it. Ah, you got me. You got me. Oh shit, 75% now? Damn. Some good usage, honestly. Oh wow. Alright, while this continues to work, let's go ahead and I'm just gonna take a shower and then come back and see how much limit I have left. Oh, fuck. I'm at 87%, and then my 5-hour limit reached. So these three, bro, got fucking cooked. Holy shit. Oh my god. I was trying to do too much. Oh my god. Dude. Fuck me. I only got 13% left. But then everything does reset tomorrow, so. God damn it, though. Well, there it is. It's like 4 important things, 4 big projects, and so does that mean like everything is just like paused? It doesn't make any sense. I don't know, I'll figure it out.